Another clue. I can't let Stardy be blamed for this.
I wonder what's been dripping oil around here. Hello? What's this doing here?
You look worried, Radley.
Just thinking, Mr. B. Remember this morning when you were talking about reputations?
How they can take years to make, but only a second to destroy?
What would you tell someone who did something they shouldn't have to protect a friend, but it might ruin their reputation?
Well, if someone made such a mistake, they need to do something to rebuild their reputation. Is that what you're going to do?
Huh? I wasn't talking about me.
Well, looks like Jones might need a little help.
A clue. No more oil, but there's a footprint.
One of the ancient mechanical Greek gears is missing.
And I found the thief's footprint. Why all the excitement?
Jones is going to trail the thief.
And it's him! The janitor dude! Jones, you totally have this wrong. As Bruce Steele says, clues don't lie.
What are you babbling about? What clues?
Right there, your footprint.
I thought I cleaned up all the oil near the gears exhibit.
Aha! The stolen Greek gear.
Bah! I was sweeping up and I found it.
Now Artie's gone. The thief has struck again.
Where's Stardy?
That's my room.
Whoa!
Mac, where did you get these robot plans?
Guys! All the robots are gone!